always said you are PTI.
Yes.
So your question of joining PTI, speaking for myself, didn't arise.
So my
Election Commission was pushing you in this direction.
Raja Saab, as I
quite so, Mullah, the
understand,
Election Commission was not accepting us as
Raja
to see what
Saab, as
they
I
say on this.
understand, you have placed it on record, 2nd February 2024, Election Commission's order
Yes.
declared all of you as independents, and that, speaking for myself, they grossly misinterpreted the judgment of this court, and entirely on that basis they declared you independent. Why should the people be prejudiced
Yes.
because a wrong interpretation of this court? It has to be corrected.
Of the
So
Election
you
Commission.
have to take a clear stance.
Yes, that is what I'm submitting.
What has been a more important issue than
Mr.
this one?
Salman,
Or in other words, whether the election commission
Mullah, I'm sorry.
in terms of explanation,
if I may take that
in
question.
terms of explanation to Rule 94,
Yes, Mullah.
how could you join other party when you had no symbol? And number two, in the presence of this explanation, this case is required to be heard along with that review petition, so that whole scenario should come before this court.
That is for my lords to decide. So my submission is that since we had been declared
No,
independent,
whether my question is whether the election commission has got any power, any authority under the Election Act or rules to declare somebody independent or a party affiliated candidate.
ठीक हो गया?
उनका इख्तियार है?
They took this
नहीं,
position.
एक मिनट, पहले सवाल कीजिए, हाँ या ना मुझे।
Yes, they said Rule 94 empowers them to do that.
इतना आपसे पूछ रहे हैं कि उनके पास कानून में कोई इख्तियार है कि एक शख्स कहे कि मैं पार्टी एफिलेटेड हूँ और वो कहे नहीं 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 आप इंडिपेंडेंट हो, क्या ये इख्तियार है उनके पास?
हमारी नजर में तो गलत था, इसीलिए हम हाई कोर्ट गए।
तो आपको चैलेंज करना चाहिए
सर हम गए, हाई कोर्ट गए, इलेक्शन
छोड़
कमीशन
कर
गए,
कितना करे आपने?
ठीक हो गया सर। लेकिन अब आपने ये देखना है कि देयर इज अ सिचुएशन इन विच द इलेक्शन कमीशन, व्हिच इज द हाईएस्ट अथॉरिटी,
आप गए थे हाई कोर्ट?
जी जी हाई कोर्ट ही भी तो हमने
ये गए थे?
नहीं हम गए थे रूल 94 को चैलेंज करने।
ये जो इम्प्यून जजमेंट में आप पिटिशनर थे?
सर आई वेंट सेपरेटली चैलेंजिंग दिस एक्सप्लेनेशन टू रूल 94।
वही पुरानी बात कर रहे हैं, और हाई कोर्ट वाली, आपने ऑफिस ऑब्जेक्शन मान लिया।
वही बात। सो माय सबमिशन